Hey tech enthusiasts, today I'm diving into AI PDF Drive, where Chat, Create, Organize, a powerful AI-driven tool for managing your documents like a pro. Let's get started. First up, sign up for an AI Drive account. Visit the website or download the app and create a free account using your email or existing Google, LinkedIn profile. Once you're in, it's time to upload your files. Look for the Upload File or Import Document button. You can drag and drop files like PDFs, CSVs, TXT, Markdown, or Excel spreadsheets right into the interface. Easy, right? Now, here's where it gets cool. Select any uploaded document to start chatting with it. There's a chat option that lets you ask questions like summarize this document or extract data from this table. The AI analyzes and gives you the info you need. No more scrolling through endless pages. Creating or modifying documents is a breeze too. Head to the Create section to start new projects. Think presentations, resumes, reports, or letters. Use templates or start from scratch and let the AI assist you with formatting and content suggestions. Organization is key, and AI PDF Drive has got you covered. Create folders, apply tags, and sort your files for easy access. You can even search and filter documents by type, date, or content. Once your document is polished, use the built-in PDF creator to finalize it. Add professional touches like headers, footers, watermarks, or design elements. When you're happy with the outcome, download it as a PDF or any other format you need. Don't forget the extra features. You can collaborate with others, export documents in different formats, and integrate with tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft Office for seamless management. So there you have it. With AI PDF Drive, managing, creating, and interacting with your documents has never been easier. Give it a try and take your document game to the next level. Catch you in the next video.